All right, everyone, so quick growing tip here on transplanting. So we have our advanced germination kit. We have our seedlings that have been growing in the tray for about 14 days now. I'm gonna select one seedling. As you can see, we have some nice root growth coming out of the cocoa coir. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a small base with our hydrogen. Not too many rocks, just like that. Place our cocoa coir in the center of our nutting pot, and then you're just going to surround the rest of the cocoa coir with more hydrogen. I'm not going to go all the way up to the top of my netting pot. I want to have enough room for some air circulation. I don't want to suffocate the plant. When we get to this point, now we're ready to transplant our netting pot into our Nutri-Tower.